Hello everyone and welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a top-down analysis of Ethereum USDT. Okay, so once in a while we're going to be doing some analysis of crypto since we already done this on Bitcoin. We had a lot of positive feedback on that video. A lot of people liked it, so um, we're going to do one of the biggest crypto projects in the world, which is Ethereum. Okay, so this is pretty interesting. It is a bit similar to Bitcoin. Okay, but let us start off on the monthly. So on the monthly, you can see we're very bullish. Okay, obviously there's not a lot of price action to be studying, like Forex, for example, or gold or indexes or whatever. But yeah, we can only analyze with what we have. So on crypto, on Ethereum specifically, we are very bullish. Okay, you can see we have some minor pullbacks, but we're still very bullish. Now on the weekly, where we can see maybe a little bit more information, you can see that we had a weekly sell zone, okay, that we still didn't close out of it. You can see that we had a nice reaction to it. Okay, so once price came into it, I actually sold some of my Ethereum and I was looking to buying it around this area right here. So we had a nice pullback of about 1,000 pips, and then we actually had a nice buy zone over here where it was pretty smart to buy some more Ethereum. So if you bought Ethereum, or if you trade Ethereum, these are nice places to buy because look, we're over 1,300 pips already. Okay, so if you have some nice entries over here, you can definitely have some nice risk to reward trades. So as you can see, we have this buy zone over here. We have some more buy zones down below. Obviously, this is pretty far away. So if price would respect to this weekly zone and would come all the way over here, and people, the whole world would come crazy and they say it's a crash coming. But in the end, it's all about supply and demand, guys. So I'm never really worried about crashes or booming or whatever, because it's just the same thing as always. You know, it's just buying at cheap prices and selling at expensive prices. Doesn't matter if you invest or if you trade, it's all the same rule. Okay, so even if price comes back to all dear and to this level, I'll be more than happy. You know, most people will be crying probably and you know, being scared because they put all their life savings right on the top here. This is where they start investing, and probably I've literally seen people selling their properties and investing in crypto when it's like all-time high. So that is just insane, and it's sad to see this happening. But anyways, so yeah, if price manages to come back to one of these two levels, then it's very nice areas to buy. As you can see, price is right now in this weekly zone, this weekly sell zone. It hasn't closed beyond it yet, so we still have to wait and see. It's still valid weekly zone. So if you look at the better part of the zone, which would be this one, then price is right now in this area. So it would be a nice place to actually sell. And as you can see, we had a lot of consolidation right here. Okay, we had a lot of ranging over here, so that creates a lot of liquidity. You can see that price manages to break out, and this could be a liquidity grab again, and then maybe it will see some more downward moves. That would be very nice to see. So as well, you can see these pin bars, pretty interesting to see that they're breaking all these previous lows. So it would be very nice to see some more further downwards moves, especially because we're in the in the more expensive half of the zone, which is where the biggest moves usually happen. So if we gonna respect this zone, then I would definitely be looking firstly at this area right here, which would be around 3,200, 300 more or less area, 250. Okay, so this whole range is pretty interesting to look at as a potential target. And then the next one would be, well, this whole range obviously, but the biggest volume range would be 2,100, 2,200 more or less, this range over here. So this is pretty interesting to see. We can definitely look at the daily as well, but since we're in a weekly zone and we still didn't close out of the weekly zone on the weekly time frame, obviously, because the daily doesn't really matter if it's a weekly zone, you can clearly see that this is a nice area of volume. You can see all where the ranges are. It's a lot of volume. So there's some volume here. There's a lot of volume at this area right here. The volume here is honestly crazy, as you can see. This is actually 2,900 level. So these are all areas that you can be looking to take profits if you're selling right now. Obviously, if you're trading this pair, if you're only investing in this pair, then you should look at these levels to buy. Okay, which is all good areas to buy. And obviously, if you're in this for the long term, then this area is a good place to buy. This area is a good place to buy. You know, obviously, the higher you go, the the the, the worse it gets basically to buy. But in general, if you're looking for the long term, then all these low points are basically good areas to buy. Obviously, here would be amazing. Here is already really solid, and always a little bit less and less and less. But in general, it's still pretty good to buy, because you have to understand that most people are buying here or right now. Okay, they're looking to buy when everybody's saying, "Oh, it's been it's been 20% up today." Then people are gonna look at the chart, and then they're not even gonna look at the chart. They're just gonna go to Coinbase or whatever, and they're just gonna buy. They're, instead of analyzing a chart and seeing how it works and stuff. So just another example, you can see all these equal lows over here. You can see a clear liquidity run over here, grabs liquidity, and then just shots up. Okay, so this is pretty similar to what is happening right now. We're just consolidating here. We're seeing equal highs over here. Okay, we're seeing all these. Okay, this is not working. We're only seeing these equal highs over here. We're breaking out of it, so this might be a liquidity grab in order now to just show some more downwards movement. So on the 4-hour, you can see it even more clearly. You can see all these equal highs over here. Price is just breaking out, and then maybe now is going to be reacting to it to the sell side, which would be very nice to see. Okay, so this is pretty much in, guys, the analysis on Ethereum. I think it's most clear on the weekly and daily as well. As a monthly, it doesn't have too much price action. So since we're at all-time highs, guys, don't look to buy right now. Okay, this is my this is just one piece of advice. Don't try to buy right now. Just have some patience. Wait for a couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks, maybe even more. Okay, it really depends when price is at these levels. Well, actually, on the daily, you can see when price is at these levels. Then it's on these ones, maybe even these ones. Those are really good areas to buy. So don't be patient. Sorry, be patient. Don't be in a rush. That's what I meant to say. So yeah, don't try to buy right now. Just be patient. Wait for the right levels and invest. When it's at one of these nice buy levels, okay, because in the end, greed is what makes you lose money, and patience is what gonna save you a lot of money and make you a lot of money. Okay, guys, so guys, if you like this video, we'd definitely appreciate a like. If you have any questions about this topic, about crypto investing, about analyzing all these coins, just let us know in the comments down below. We'll try to make some videos about that as well, and answer your questions basically. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We're uploading new videos every single week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Just analysis and just educational videos and all that, to help you guys and show you guys a little bit how we trade, and basically give you a solid foundation to get started in your trading career. And obviously, if you're looking for more in-depth trading, then you can definitely look out our training program, which we leave the link in the description. So yeah, guys, hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.